Are you using AI, but still not seeing the results you expected? What if I told you that AI might actually be making your work worse, not better? You're not alone. Despite the buzz around artificial intelligence, many people are using these tools constantly, yet they're not getting the benefits others seem to enjoy. Why? Because something's missing. It's not that the technology isn't there. It's that most people are using it all wrong. The real issue isn't about lack of access, but a deeper human alignment problem. In this video, we're going to dive into why AI isn't working for most people and what key mistakes are holding you back from making the most of it. Let's begin. 1. The fallacy of AI replacing thinking. Many people expect AI to do the work for them, but that's a misconception. AI doesn't replace thinking, it amplifies it. If your thinking is shallow, AI will just speed up shallow work, creating what I call work slop, low-quality output that still needs human intervention to fix. AI can generate answers, but it doesn't know what matters for your specific project. It's like giving an assistant a task without proper direction. The result? Speed, but not accuracy. Think of AI as a partner, not a replacement for your judgment. High performers use AI to enhance their skills and add creativity. Treating AI as a shortcut to avoid doing the hard work only leads to inefficiency. When used correctly, AI elevates productivity. When misused, it just amplifies mistakes. 2. Misaligned strategy. Tool chasing. Are you jumping from one new AI tool to the next? Many people do, and it's a big reason they aren't seeing results. In 2026, there's no shortage of AI tools. You could use one for writing, another for research, and a third for social media. But by chasing every tool, you fail to master any, leading to fragmented workflows and increased friction. Instead, focus on a few powerful tools that streamline your workflow. Tools like Zapier or Reclaim can automate tasks and improve efficiency. The key is to avoid overwhelming yourself with too many tools. Master select few tools. Integrate them strategically, and you'll see real progress in boosting your productivity. 3. Misinterpreting productivity. The productivity paradox. Ever felt that AI was supposed to make your life easier, but instead, it just added more tasks to your plate? You're not imagining things. This is what we call the productivity paradox. Many people assume AI will reduce their workload, but in reality, it often intensifies it. AI makes it incredibly easy to do more, which sounds great at first. But when you're doing more tasks than before, you run into a phenomenon known as workload creep. It's when your list of things to do keeps growing, and you're stuck in a cycle of trying to get through it all without making any real progress. Even though AI can help you get tasks done faster, it doesn't solve the underlying problem of how you work. Without a solid framework for managing your workload, AI will simply push you to work harder, not smarter. The solution? Think strategically about what tasks AI should handle. Focus on high-value work, and use AI to eliminate the low-value, repetitive tasks that hold you back. For overlooking the unsexy fundamentals. So, you embraced AI and automated your processes. But wait, have you paid attention to the fundamentals that make AI truly effective? AI works best when it has high-quality data to work with. The truth is, many organizations and individuals skip over this critical step: cleaning up messy data. Without clean, well-structured data, AI will produce plausible but wrong outputs. It's like feeding a broken recipe to a chef. No matter how good the chef is, the result will still be a disaster. Another huge mistake is automating broken processes. If your workflow is inefficient, applying AI to it will just speed up the mistakes. It's like trying to fix a leaky faucet by turning on the water full blast. More water, more mess. Before implementing AI, invest time in fixing your data and refining your processes. Only then will AI be able to work at its full potential, saving you time and reducing errors. 5. Document business intelligence to train your AI. AI systems work best when they have access to accurate and organized information. In fact, your own knowledge and decision-making frameworks can greatly enhance AI's usefulness. Start by documenting your internal processes, decision frameworks, and institutional knowledge. For example, what's the process for onboarding new employees? How do you handle client escalations? These seemingly mundane processes can be gold mines for AI. Once you've documented this knowledge, use AI to transcribe, structure, and organize it into a living knowledge base. By doing this, you create a resource that AI can tap into 24/7, improving the efficiency of your operations and reducing the dependency on human memory. This approach is incredibly powerful because it allows AI to scale your expertise and provide solutions based on your own experience. Instead of relying on memory or waiting for someone to be available to answer a question, AI can instantly provide answers based on the knowledge you've captured. This reduces the chance of errors, speeds up decision-making, and ensures consistent outcomes across the board. 6. Use AI as a strategic sparring partner. AI is great at automating repetitive tasks, but what about using it for something more valuable? Decision-making? Instead of merely asking AI to generate content or answer questions, start using it as a strategic sparring partner. For example, you can ask AI to challenge your assumptions about a marketing strategy or evaluate multiple financial scenarios. Tools like Claude or Perplexity can help you critically assess your ideas and uncover opportunities or risks you might have missed on your own. By using AI in this way, you reduce decision fatigue and avoid making hasty, uninformed choices. Rather than simply using AI as a passive tool, turn it into an active collaborator that helps you refine your thoughts and make smarter decisions. This partnership allows you to leverage AI's computational power while still relying on your own judgment, creating a much more effective decision-making process. 7. Automate content repurposing at scale. Creating content is hard work, but repurposing it doesn't have to be. One of the most effective ways to maximize the impact of your content is to automate content repurposing. Tools like Buffer or Jasper make it incredibly easy to take a single piece of content, whether it's a blog post, video, or report, and break it down into smaller pieces for social media, email newsletters, and presentations. This strategy allows you to get more mileage out of the content you create without spending hours reformatting and redistributing it. Instead of writing a new post for each platform, AI can do the heavy lifting of turning your content into various formats, which increases your reach and saves you time. By automating this process, you'll maximize your content's impact and ensure you're not wasting time on repetitive tasks. It's a smart way to work less and get more done. 8. Shift from AI as writing to AI as execution. By 2026, the best AI tools aren't just assisting with writing, they're executing tasks on your behalf. Instead of relying on AI just to generate text or answer questions, use it to handle the execution of tasks like monitoring competitors, analyzing spreadsheets, or even sending follow-up emails. Tools like Claude Code and advanced AI agents can take over many of the busy work tasks, freeing you up to focus on more creative and high-level strategic activities. By shifting from a mindset of AI as writing to AI as execution, you'll find that AI becomes a true productivity partner. You'll be able to delegate more tasks to AI, which allows you to focus on what truly matters, whether that's crafting innovative strategies, working on long-term projects, or simply having more time to think. AI isn't a magic solution that will make you more productive overnight. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. By avoiding the common mistakes we discussed in this video, like treating AI as a replacement for thinking, chasing too many tools, and misinterpreting productivity, you can unlock its true potential. If you want to start benefiting from AI in 2026, remember to treat it as a partner, not a crutch. Focus on mastering a few essential tools, document your knowledge, and use AI for decision-making. With the right mindset, AI can help you work less and achieve more. But it's up to you to make that happen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights like these. Stay ahead of the curve and keep pushing the boundaries of what AI can do for you. See you in the next video.